Hello everyone, this is the Lovelace family, and today our family is checking out the Resorts World Pool and Beach experience that we booked it through Carnival. On the Carnival Sunshine, we went to the Bimini, Bahamas. Man, this place is a beautiful place. Incredible beaches. At the very end of this, we're going to go over the food and drinks and how much we paid for all that too. But starting out, we're going to get off this ship, check out the resort. This is going to be a point of view tour. All right, as we get off the ship here, we're going to make a long walk down this pier to the left as we were getting off. Again, we were on the Carnival Sunshine, a really long pier, but once you get down to the end of this pier, you're going to make a left, and then there you'll see some little tents set up, and there'll be a tram coming to pick you up and drop you off at the World Resorts. We are on the tram and ready to go to Resorts World Pool and Beach Day. Just a little tip here, if you got kids, they need to be sitting in the middle, not on the ends. They will stop the tram and have you move the kids inside. That happened to us. Our child and somebody else was on the outside and they made them move on the inside. Beautiful beach here, beautiful center, and it's only about a 10-minute ride, maybe not even that much. We were the first stop on that early that morning, stopping at Resorts World. We are ready to get this party started at Resorts World Bimini Beach. Man, it's a beautiful campus, beautiful facility. As soon as you walk in over here to the left, you'll see there's a map of the facility, but it's kind of a cool hangout area, kind of a lounge. Over here to the right that you're seeing right now is where you go and get your punch. Kids is non-alcoholic, adults alcohol if you want it. Again, here is a layout or a map of the campus. You can pause it right here. I may even try to stop it and slow it down, but just kind of let you know where everything is at right off the bat. And again, this is on the left side as soon as you come in. There's two pools. The one to the right is for adults. The one to the left is for kids and adults.
That's
pretty good. That's pretty good.
Man. Thank you, man. I'll put one for you, okay?
It says the Hideaway, Beach Eats South, and restrooms. This way. So this is to the left of the resort. This is the left pool. These are cabanas that can be rented. Reservation only. These are nice right here too. Clamshell. So this is the bathrooms. Men's on the left, women's on the right. It's a member only area back there. relaxation. So here's the menu. Refreshment stand right here. VIP area entry. I do want to point out, notice how clean this is. Trash is not laying around. It's very well kept. You see people cleaning the whole time. Very nice campus facility. Very neat, clean. I really do like how they have this kind of walking path here. So if you have mobility issues, and plus, you know, walking that sand, it really does help getting down to the beach. But I mean, this was a beautiful beach. I mean, Half Moon Cay, of course, is going to be our favorite. But this beach is right behind it, especially with the water. We'll show you a little bit later on going out into the water. But here you can see all the umbrellas, the chairs, and the people that's here. But a really nice beach area, very pretty. Crystal clear water. This was a Carnival cruise, so we did leave to get back on the ship early. I heard if you go through Virgin Voyages, they do have nighttime beach activities, and they light these structures up, these spheres. They put some firewood in there, and they got those rolling at night. And I heard it's actually a pretty cool ambiance. All right, now we're strolling back up towards the pool area, and we're going to go visit the right side of the pool. But again, you can see these little day beds they have, cabanas, a lot of that stuff you have to rent. Again, very clean, constantly cleaning and making sure everything's nice and neat. Life is good today. Famous internet YouTuber. So this is still the right side. If you first come in, this is the right side pool area. It's like a Belvedere club. Got hammocks right here. Changing cabanas back there. Got lockers. All right, I think we're back to the beginning. Hey man. Bar on the left, check-in on the right. All right, here it comes. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready. I'm taking the hat off.
All right.
Bimini, and this water is absolutely gorgeous. A lot of people here on the beach. Only the sunshine is in today, but take a look at it. Gorgeous water. What do you think, Michelle? It's beautiful. I don't think it's chilly at all. You cold?
I'll get used to it.
What do you think about how pretty it is?
Absolutely beautiful.
The water reminds me of Half Moon Key. The sand doesn't, but the
Yeah, this is a more of a golden sand. Half Moon Key is a white.
yeah, it's like
powdery
sugar. Yeah, but this is definitely beautiful.
sand. This place is gorgeous. Yeah, it's gorgeous.
It is not quite Half Moon Key, but very close. Very beautiful. Look at this water.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a live one in there, huh? It's cool. She's got a conch.
What's
Very
that?
cool. All right, so this is the new episode on Lovey's Fat Life. Guess how much this drink costs? So we got one Long Island, one pina colada down there. This was free because he poured the wrong thing, and a Coke Zero. So 2 mixed alcohol and 1 Coke Zero. What do you think the price is, dog?
I think it's $36.
36. Alma, what do you think?
I'm gonna go 34.
34.
I'm saying 36 as well before gratuity.
36. You say 40? Huh? No, I ain't gonna even count gratuity. I gave him 10 for gratuity. I should tell you $46.80 for 2 drinks and a Coke Zero.
The drinks are $21.
I was gonna say 47.
$46.80. You would have been exactly right.
I want a chicken tender. Anthony, try my drink.
$46.80. We got some chicken tenders here. Anthony, how was the burger? Anthony, how was the burger?
It was good.
I didn't even get a video of it.
It was good.
I had fish sticks.
Fish
They
sticks?
were soggy.
Fish sticks were soggy. How's yours? What you got?
Got a chicken sandwich. Got lettuce and tomato and onion on it.
Pretty good.
It's okay. It's real thin chicken and it's very crisp.
What'd you
Hard.
get, Bob?
I had a burger.
Was the burger good?
It was alright. I had,
Average burger?
yeah, just an average burger.
He said the bread was hard.
Hey, it's vacation and it's only money, right? That's a lot of money. $46.80 for 2 alcohol drinks and 1 Coke Zero. And then it was $52 for a cheeseburger, bag of chips, and then 3 chicken tenders and a bag of chips. So after we added a tip too on top of all that, it was over $100 for just that little bit of food and drink. Hey, but we had a great time here. We did take a tram back. It did 1 stop at a little shopping area, but other than that, it took us right back to the ship, and then we got on the Sunshine. So hey, have you ever been to the Resorts World in Bimini? What's your thoughts on it? It's an absolutely beautiful beach, beautiful pools. You know, it was one time for us. Next time we'll probably rent a golf cart, do something different, but it was a nice place to go and hang out. That food and drink though, that'll bite you. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. Thank you.